Hello kids! Today we are going to learn national animals of different countries. United States bald eagle. United Kingdom lion. India Bengal tiger. China giant panda. Australia red kangaroo. Canada North American beaver. Russia brown bear. Japan green pheasant. Brazil jaguar. South Africa springbok. France Gallic rooster. Germany golden eagle. Italy Italian wolf. Argentina Rufus hornero. Mexico golden eagle. Spain bull. Pakistan markhor. Bangladesh Royal Bengal tiger. South Korea Siberian tiger. Saudi Arabia Arabian camel. Nigeria eagle. Kenya African lion. Egypt steppe eagle. Greece dolphin. Ireland red deer. Norway Eurasian elk. Finland brown bear. Denmark mute swan. Netherlands lion. Turkey grey wolf. New Zealand kiwi. Thailand Thai elephant. Sri Lanka giant squirrel. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoy our National Animals adventure today. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Until next time, keep learning.